Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you guys what can stop Bitcoin from going back down to 53,000 because right now it looks a little bit likely, but let's check out the scenario in which we survive all this and we start going up to all-time highs sooner rather than like in a month or so, okay? So right now I have the fibs drawn up right here. If you guys don't know what that means, it's Fibonacci levels. We put it right here from the bottom to the top, and so far you can actually see it's been pretty accurate. Held, resistance, popped, went down, broke out, went up here, went down, held, and so forth. And you can see, so far it's doing a very, very good job here. Now, if we look at the daily chart, we just broke down below the 20. We're hovering right above a fib level. If we break down below this and hold, we're probably going to try to come test out this level around here about 53,000. In order for that to not happen, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart here. We need to be able to hold on to this level right here, and then we have to be able to break out above this trend line right here. Now, the good thing going for us at this moment in time is not only the fib level here as a level of support, but if you go over here to the 3-hour chart, you're actually going to see the 200 moving average on the 3-hour chart lending us its support at the moment. If we fall down below this, it'll be pretty fast and it will lead to us going down into like the mid 50,000, okay? So 55,000, 54,000. So just be aware of that. It might not be a quick plummet, but it is going to be a little bit of a dragging move down here with maybe a pump back up, but eventually continuing to come back down. So please be aware of any of these bull traps that you guys see. Right now, at least at this moment in time, Bitcoin is still bearish, but this is still an okay time to accumulate a small position if you want to try to play this bounce off of the 200 moving average on the 3-hour chart and play it back up here towards $60,500. That is still a play that can happen right now, especially since we have the trend line here as a level of resistance. I'll just let you guys know, if it runs into any of these moving averages, that's when you guys are going to start scaling out, and then be careful because it will most likely take a turn back down. If it does not, feel free to keep on holding if you guys want to, but I'll be probably taking a small position here, waiting for a breakout. I mean, it's going to be a pretty easy stop loss. If I lose a little bit of money, it'll be a little bit of money here. And if this does break out, I'll buy even more. But for now, it's a tiny position to see what's going to happen here. And then if it falls down, I'm going to open up a short position here to just make myself some easy money as it breaks down below these fib levels here. So that's it for everybody for now. Will be streaming a little bit later on tonight as well, and I'll be streaming tomorrow morning as well. So have a good day, everybody, and please consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks.